Compliance monitoring versus audit management software. Which one is better for regulated industries? In highly regulated industries, one mistake can cost millions or worse, your reputation. That's why compliance and audits are more than checkboxes, they're lifelines. But which tool actually keeps you safer, compliance monitoring or audit management software? Compliance monitoring software is designed to track and enforce adherence to laws, policies, and internal standards in real time. It automatically flags violations, monitors processes, and generates alerts when something goes off track. For example, a financial institution might use compliance monitoring to ensure every transaction meets anti-money laundering regulations. It's continuous, proactive, and data-driven. Audit management software, however, focuses on the structured evaluation of compliance-approved side of the equation. It helps teams plan, execute, and document audits efficiently. You can track findings, manage corrective actions, and generate reports for regulators. Think of it as the record keeper that validates your compliance over time. Here's the key difference: compliance monitoring keeps you compliant in the moment, while audit management proves you are compliant after the fact. So which one's better for regulated industries? If you want real-time visibility and prevention, compliance monitoring is essential. But for transparency, accountability, and regulatory reporting, audit management is non-negotiable. The most mature organizations use both. Monitoring ensures ongoing safety, and audits provide the evidence. Together, they create a continuous compliance ecosystem that protects your business from risks, penalties, and surprises.